everybody, welcome back to Great Northwest Weaponry. This is Thomas, and today we are doing the Mislurp Pistols Supercut. This will be the last in this batch of supercuts for a little while at least. Got a couple of different videos coming up, and then probably third full-length video from now anyway, will be the last gunroom walkthrough in this location anyway, and during that we will be doing a look back at the evolution of the gunroom up to this point. This video we're going to be focusing on semi-automatic Mislurp pistols. We already did revolvers, so if you want to check that out, go ahead and look back a little ways in recent videos. Or check the miscellaneous playlist, it is in there as well. Speaking of playlists, every pistol in this video, and there are 17 in total, has been had a full-length demo done of it before. This is just going to be taking a look at the shooting clips, so if you want to see the full-length demo, there will be a link in this video description to the Vintage Pistols and Revolvers playlist, and any semi-automatic pistol in that playlist is what we're going to be seeing here today. Also, during the duration of the upcoming Supercut, I will be playing my mandolin. I'm going to have two different songs that we're going to be playing. We're going to be starting with Für Elise, Ludwig van Beethoven, and following that up with one, I believe it is called Tarantella del 15. If I'm incorrect on that, I'll post a correction. But it is a Sicilian tarantella, kind of a dance song. Think The Godfather. And yeah, without further ado, hope you all enjoy the video, and here we go. Interesting.